Hello everyone, my name is Reggi Sonia, and this time I will presentation about CROWDBEES with the themes Digital Talent Management Platform for Achieving Graduate Attributes in Higher Education Institution. And we are the team Reggi Sonia, Rina, Kartika, and Petrus, Hepi, Witono. In 2022 Binus Digital, our teamwork, which is a division at Binus University, we are designing a platform that can unite faculties, departments, division that is with roles by student or student roles, lecturers, employees. They can create a project that can become a collaborative new experience in working on several programs that can foster and build one another. And this is the platform. CROWDBEES exists to help bring creative projects to life. And as we can see, we have a three feature: research activity, event, and talent team. The faculty or school or center, they have a personnel in charge in each event that they can make one page special for research activity, and they also be able to publish about the event, so we can get the participants, and also we can get the talent team for each event. Yeah, we talk about the student as a committee. Yes, and this is the initiatives page. Yes, we can see about the category with a purple color. It's a category event, talent, and the blue color ribbon, it's about event, and the gray color is about research. Profile, yes, of course, we can make our profile for a personal in charge in our event, or a student. Student can fill their profile. Like this is, for example, we can see some categories in below: experience, skill, initiative, interest, rating and review, and configuration. Let's see one by one. It's about experience. We can feel about our portfolio, like as a first year program committee, creative freelancer committee, and many more. And this is about skill. We can feel about our skill, like communication, corporate identity, and others. And this is about initiative, that we can make some projects, and we'll show on this page. And this is for interest. Lecturer, staff, and student can make a choice for their interest. And this is about rating and review. And this is about configuration. We can choose disable email for notification and disable messaging. Yes, let's talk about the initiative on CROWDBEES. This is for one of example. In 2023, I made this page for a first year program to search a crowdsource as a talent from students that can help us. As we can see about this initiative, we have type, location, campus, organizer or personal in charge of this event, and level of this event, and held hybrid, online or on-site. And this page talk about discussion, like the student can asking about this project, then we can answer, and we'll show on this page. And it's about updates. And this is member and roles. Students who is a participant on this event as a talent team will show on this page. Yeah, at that time, I need a graphic design team, influencer, marketing communication, and photography or photographer. When this project is over or finished, we can download a CSV file for print, namely SAT points. Then we can use this file to another activity, like example, maybe for our report about this event. CROWDBEES has a novelty in creating workspace, online collaboration, utilizing the Internet of Things or IoT that is relevant to the current generation, namely the Zoomers generation or Gen Z, as well as responding to challenge in achieving increased quality of campus graduates, fulfilling soft skill and hard skill. Skills from students in the form of good organization, governance, and Binus graduate attributes. CROWDBEES also has a complex that combines various HR of all age positions, scientific fields to answer research needs and development in the form of creative product and creativity criteria that exist in CROWDBEES. The CROWDBEES platform can ultimately be understood and used together in advancing education or knowledge with qualified skills.